write it? Miss Diaz, could you write it maybe on a piece of paper?
Oh, sure, yeah.
On a piece of paper is fine. Okay, listen. So what we're going to do is we are going to do an activity. And first let me tell you that this activity that we're going to do is something I do with college students, high school students, and middle school students. So this is the same thing I do with everybody. It doesn't matter what grade you're in. And so I think you'll really like it because it's not really a babyish game. It's not for little kids. It's something for older kids. So what I want to do is I want to talk about the different things that happen in school, on the playground, in gym, in lunch. So the first thing I want to ask you are, give me examples of mean, negative, or hurtful behavior that you see around school. Okay? Yes.
I see bullying.
Okay, so I need to know exactly what's the actual act, the mean, negative, or hurtful behavior. Yes.
One time.
Just the act, not the story, just the action.
I saw.
You think about it. Hold on. Yes.
Going crazy.
Okay. Okay.
And if I don't take my medicine, then that's going to go crazy when people come and say,
Okay, that was a great answer. Name calling. So, Ms. Diaz, I'll try to repeat the actual thing for you to say. Okay, yes. Okay, telling on somebody, trying to get somebody in trouble. That's really what that is. Okay, think about at gym, the mean, negative, or hurtful things that happen. Yes.
Kick somebody with a ball by purpose.
Okay, purposely kicking a ball at somebody. Yes. Pushing somebody. Sorry, Miss Diaz, it's going to go very quickly. Yes.
Hurting somebody.
Hurting someone. Good one.
Trying to push one away, try to get a ball.
Okay, pushing somebody away when you're trying to get the ball. Yes. Okay, I'll come back to when you remember. Yes, bud.
Purposely throwing a ball at somebody.
Throwing a ball at somebody. Yes.
Stealing something without permission.
Okay, well let's think about something mean. Like what happens if a one team doesn't win? What? Yeah.
like when someone lies.
Okay, lying. That's great. What about when one team doesn't win? What do other people do to that team?
You are a loser.
Yeah, calling them losers. Yeah, what were you going to say?
Do not steal something that's not yours.
Okay, but so stealing would be the mean thing? Okay, good answer.
That.
Yeah. Fighting. Yeah, what else? Kicking.
Talking about the other people.
Talking behind people's backs. Love that. Great one. Gossiping. Another good one. What? Gossiping is when you're talking about other people. Talking about. Yeah, behind their backs. What else? What were you going to say? You have a good one?
I have about some.
Go ahead. Mean?
Talking to somebody civilly by somebody's back.
Okay, telling secrets. That's a great one. Yes, what else?
Hitting people with metal and breaking their bones.
Okay, good. Hitting people with metal and breaking their bones. What about at recess? What about at recess? Yeah.
Sometimes people try to throw you off the whole playground away off the floor.
Okay, throwing you onto the ground. What else, bud?
I was gonna say that one lunch thing recess that what happened to Josh. So someone he was going up and someone would move.
The chair?
No, the wind pushed him. No.
So
wind climb up. No, wind can't push.
okay. So when somebody's trying to play in the playground, wiggling it so that they fall. Okay. What else? Let's also think about
Josh's loss was good.
You were crying. No.
Okay. So let's hold on.
Crying back.
What are we gonna say, bud?
Pushing somebody into a metal window.
Okay. Pushing someone to a metal window. What about in line? When you're in line? Sam. Yes. Peter. What's the matter? What can somebody do that's mean when you're in line? Yes, Len.
Throwing you off the slide.
Throwing you off the slide. Good one. What else?
Pushing you out of the way.
Pushing you out of the way in the line, yes.
Pushing.
Yep. Okay, try to say something that nobody else has said. So, you know what you want to be doing is listening to what everybody else says and saying something different, okay? What do people make fun of people for? How about making fun of somebody? What do people make fun of people for? Yes.
How they look.
Okay, making fun of somebody for how they look. Yes.
Because no one doesn't know the answer.
Oh, laughing at somebody when they don't know the answer. That's a great one. Yes. Tripping people on purpose.
Someone wants to stand in line with you. You just want to move away from them.
Okay. Not letting somebody be near you. I like it. That's a great one. Yes, hon.
Cutting in line.
Cutting in line. Awesome answer.
Pushing like if you're like standing, you like just push them like into the trash can.
Okay, pushing someone into the trash can. Okay, everyone here, let's put your hands down. Now we're going to do the total opposite. I want you guys to give me examples of things that are nice, positive, and supportive. Things that make somebody happy. Yes, yes, honey.
Sharing toys.
Sharing toys. Excellent answer.
Giving things away to poor people.
Giving things away to poor people. I want a round of applause for that answer. That was an awesome answer. Thank you. Okay, what were you going to say? Nice, positive. Yes.
Bringing somebody to the nurse.
Yes, bringing someone to the nurse. Love it. Yes.
Giving homeless people food.
Yes, feeding the homeless. Yes. Tell me when you remember, okay, bud? Okay? Yeah.
Saving nature by not cutting down trees and killing animals.
Okay, saving nature. I like it. Thinking about the atmosphere. Yes.
Taking someone to GameStop.
Yes, taking somebody with you somewhere. How about inviting somebody to do something? What about like at recess? What would be something nice and positive at recess? Well, you can tell. Yeah.
Letting people play with you.
Letting people play with you.
And not bossing them around.
Okay. So letting people play with you. Yeah, you thought of it? What was it?
Saving somebody from falling.
Oh, catching somebody when they fall. What about at lunch? What could you do that's really nice and positive? Yes.
Like saying to somebody they're pretty.
Complimenting. She said saying to somebody you're pretty. Yeah, that's how about I like what you just do?
Clap.
You clap for somebody. I think that's a great one, right? Yeah. Okay, what?
I was thinking not the playground, helping somebody right after Sandy.
Oh, helping somebody with the Hurricane Sandy. Yeah. Now these are great answers, you guys. These are awesome. Yes.
Giving somebody something that they don't have.
Yes, giving somebody something they don't have or that they need. Yeah. What else?
Bringing their lunch upstairs.
Bringing their lunch upstairs for them.
They do for her.
That is great. You guys, so you hear that. That makes her feel good. Yes.
Making a card for someone when they're absent or if they're at the hospital.
Love it. Making a card for somebody when they're absent or at the hospital. What about at home?
And Miss Diaz,
what can you do at home that's nice, positive, and supportive? Yeah.
Flips.
What could you do for somebody to make them happy at home? Yes. Chores. You could do your chores. You could help somebody by cleaning the house. Yes. What would you do at home?
If someone in my family is sad, I'll hug them and kiss them.
Okay. Hugging and kissing somebody?
That's being kind.
Where's Miss Rod? Did she leave? Oh, Miss Diaz, did you get that? Hugging and kissing somebody. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm going to take 3 more, and then I'm going to talk about an activity that we're going to do. Okay? And yes. Nice, positive, and supportive. What do you think? I'll come back to you. Yes.
Staying with a friend.
Staying with a friend. Yes. Yes. What else?
Fantastic Four in this class.
Okay, is that nice, positive, and supportive? How do you make somebody smile? Yes.
No, like feeling bad for them if they're hurt or got a serious injury.
Okay, or how about maybe asking them, are you okay? Okay. Okay, let's take one more. Yeah.
If a bad guy comes in your house, you can just fight them and call the cops.
Well, that's not what we're talking about, right? We're talking about nice, positive, supportive things that you can do.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, one more. Yes.
There's like you can give somebody some miracles so they can have help.
Give somebody what?
Someone like if they don't have anything, you can give them
Give them something that they need. Okay. So here's what we have a homework assignment. Did Miss Morano give you the cards?
No.
Okay. Everybody is going to get a index card like this. Now I know, and it's, you know what though. Hold on. Let me explain this, and then I'm going to answer your question. Okay? What?
One time we had a spelling word for index.
Oh, you had a spelling word. Okay, good. Could you do me a favor and just take a picture of me, please, doing this? Okay. Hold on.
Oh, are you asking me to take a picture?
Yes, I am. I know. You've got to hit the red button. I think it's upside down. Okay. So, can I have all eyes on me for a minute? So, I want you guys to go. Do you have a computer at home and a printer? Does anybody have a printer at home?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
It's slow, but it doesn't work.
Okay. If you have a computer with a printer, you could go to Google. Has anyone ever gone to Google before?
Yes.
And you go to Google Images, and I want you to type in a word that's nice, positive, or supportive. And then what you do is you're going to print it out, cut it, and paste it on the center of this card. Now, if you don't have a printer, you can get a magazine or a catalog and cut something else that's nice, positive, and supportive. And if you don't have a magazine, you can draw a picture, or some of the kids in the last class asked if they could just write a word. So what we're going to do is everybody's going to come back and with something on the center of their card, and you're all going to tell me about those next time I see you next week. Okay? Okay, let's take a couple questions. Yes?
What if it's too big to fit on the card?
Well, it has to be small enough to fit on the card. That's a great question. Yeah.
When you said you can only you said one of the kids, so can we write one word?
Yeah. So like if you wanted to just write a word, you could do that too. Okay? Yes.
Write a word on what? Write a word on top. It's telling a boy to leave someone alone.
Okay. We're actually going to learn a different way to do that, but I think you're going to like this. So, okay. So thank you guys. What are we going to do? So you're going to get the cards and you're going to get the homework.
I have a question.
And